would be like a first time homeowner fail. Our fridge didn't fit. So now I'm about to vacuum. So I know I said first time homeowner fault, but to be honest, it ain't even my damn fault. It's whoever built this. Like, if you look, can you see? Or you don't open the fridge. Can you see that there's like a gap? You see the light? But they didn't make this line straight, and then it just goes tighter, so it leans. Like, it leans this way into this cabinet, which I'm just like, let's just cut all this out. There's like it's like a wall right, oh gosh, Roomba. There's like a wall right here, so I'm like, just take this whole thing out. This can just lean on the fridge, like I don't care. And then just cut this, like look, it got scratched. Trying to make it fit. Like, they suck. So whoever built this. And then on this side, my dad actually cut our counter. And me and Nikki, we want to get rid of this kitchen, like eventually. So it really didn't matter to me. Like, the thing is, I want this fridge, so that was more important. And then down there, you see that how it looks black. My dad had to cut out the baseboard because it wouldn't fit. But it's still tight on this end as well. Like, look, you see how there's like a gap? There's a gap right there, but then it's tight over here. Like, whoever built this was not that good. And we were worried that it was going to be too high, but there's a lot of room up there. It's just, it was too tight. So we're still having issues. So my dad thinks that if we just cut like maybe this out, like I guess if we just cut all of this out, then maybe that'll be better than cutting out that wall. But Licky's dad is a carpenter, so my dad was like, just wait for Licky's dad, because we really thought that cutting this out was gonna make it fit, and it's supposed to fit, but it's just this wall is tilted too much. Like, it's no, I said it was tilting outwards. I mean, it's tilting inwards. Like, it's a slope. Does that even make sense? So it's not even a first-time homeowner. It's whoever built this. But my dad said that it's mainly to blame is like back then there wasn't big fridges. It was the really tiny one. So if you guys remember, we had like that regular white one. It's outside. We're gonna keep it. I don't know what we're doing with it yet. We had like these. That was in here, and that is small. So my dad said that, you know, but back in the day, I guess those were like the fridges. Because this kitchen is original from 1966, which is insane. It doesn't look that bad because they like painted it and they like upkept it really well. But it's kind of crazy. But I want to show you guys our new fridge. So we went here with this one. Oh, also my dad had to set up the water line because there was a water line because they didn't use water or ice. I can't even talk. But yeah, so it runs through. It's connected. That's what that copper looking cord is. But yeah, it's been on. I have it on lock right now because Elia keeps pushing this. I have to drain out more water though. They told me not to use it. But this is the freezer. And then this is the fridge. So I went ahead and got the one that was side by side. Because to me, I like these types of shelves. Oh, look, it's getting so frosty. Maybe it's getting so frosty because there's nothing in here. We don't have food yet. Look, it's all like frosty. Ooh, I like it. Anyways, so I decided to get the one side by side instead of the one with the big drawer, because me and Vicky don't like deep freezers. It's not really our thing, and I feel like you have to search if it's in the bottom. So I thought this was easier to like lay, and plus it's only oh, we got ice, guys. We have ice, but we gotta dump this ice. They said to dump it for 1 day, don't use it. But I wanted one like this because I feel like stacking it. But then a lot of people say that it sucks when you have to lift it. But I doubt we're going to have that much. It's just our family, which is a family of 5, which is 3 little girls. Well, 2 with 1 on the way. Why are you whining? For what? Like, I don't know what to do. But then this is our fridge. So if you see, it has like that. So we kind of went a little fancy and bougie. What? Wait, hold on, Mom wants to show them something. So you push the button, and it's the front part. Hold on. So it's the front. So we gotta clean out our fridge. We don't really, I don't know. Okay, open it then. And then this is this side. So it has like these little doors, which is really cool. And then it has this. So this is what we got in our fridge so far. But yeah, I like it. I really like it. So it's like, I'm gonna cut cabinets. And also, they said that the width of this is the normal width size of these size fridges. Like, there's different lengths, but this is the width. So even if we try to go get a new fridge or something a little smaller, then it's gonna be like the size we just had, which I don't want. I want this size fridge. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated on what we do, but this is how the kitchen is right now. It's just taking up over half the kitchen, and both of them need naps. They're both just crying, and life is hard on them. What? It's dark. What, Mom, Phil? I just made rice, but the girls are hungry already, so they're just getting their fried chicken, and we're eating outside today with Haku. So this is Ari's second chicken already. Yeah, Haku? He is good? Yeah. I moved the table under here because it started drizzling. No, the rice not done yet, baby. Actually, let me go check. You can eat. Let me go see if the rice is done or not. Not done yet. It's still steaming. Oh, hot? Sorry.
And not for me.
Yeah, because you had yours already. Yours is cooled down. Oh, yeah. Custard and non-custard. It's right here. You want some? This is the one we want. So if somebody wants to gift it for us, let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's go walk it to Daddy. You see me cleaning our house? Over here, look. Test out. Dirty. Oh, it cleans it. Let's go find more. Let's go find your dad.
Yeah. So this is my mom.
Oh, this is what we need. Collapsible baskets.
There's some rubbish over. Why there's some rubbish over there?
Yeah.
Why there's some rubbish over there?
Look, let's clean up this mess.
Okay.
Look, clean up all that.
Yeah, this is my dad's gonna clean. My dad is gonna clean this. This is my dad. I see some rubbish right there.
Drooling all over the couch. She can reach now. You happy now?
Yeah.
She's so excited. She's like, I can reach it. Licky got a higher stool, so that stool's gonna be for her potty. Yeah, Ari, you can use this high stool too. It's better because you can see yourself in the mirror. And then the other one leave over there so when Leo goes potty.
I don't need it when I go potty.
Yeah, well, you don't have to use it. You can just leave it there and just go through this way. This is on the side. Wow, Leah, she's actually staying in the lines. It's crazy. Let mommy see. Move your hand. Mommy want to record you. Wow. We got our bed. No, boog on the mattress.
You can put them on. Wait, you gotta order everything, start pushing.
Fan, this kind that swivels and stuff. It's kind of cold in here now though, because this one doesn't move as hot. So cute. We didn't vlog, but we had a little dinner here thanks to Licky's cousin Pete, who helped us bring our mattress. Look, our bed here, we bought it from Costco. Roomba's cleaning. Everybody already left. I know it looks bare, but I put majority of the pillows in there because the girls always keep putting them on the ground. We did, yeah, everybody leave. We're all showered. Licky's showering now. We did get one of these fans. I like these fans. This is what my dad has at his house. I think it's called Cascade. No, we don't need it on. We're not going to stay out here. But I was over the like Milwaukee fan we were using because holy damn, it doesn't swivel. Is that what it's called? Swerve, whatever. So it's like whoever is in front of it is the only person that gets fan. Yeah, Minnie Mouse phone. So then I decided to just get it. I was like, we need it. So we got that. Roomba's little dock station. We still got to get something for here. Our dining room is still a mess. Still got our laundry because we don't have a dresser. I'm trying to update. This is the mattress we got. This is the one, if you guys see my vlog in December where we got a new bed, we literally got the same bed. So the other bed is still at my dad's house. I'm going to return it because what is the point of leaving it there? But Licky was just like, leave it. Yes.
The rubbish over here.
There's, oh, it's okay. We'll get it later. That's Ari's card. But yeah, luckily I found, while the clothes are there, I found Ari a bikini. I don't even know how we have a bikini here, but we do because she has water play day for school tomorrow. So we have her towel and her bikini is already all ready. What else did we do? We did a lot actually. But yeah, the outside is all clean. The room is cleaning. I sprayed the couch, Febrezed it, cleaned the beach. This is how our fridge is looking. This is as much in as it can go because of how big it is. These are all clean dishes. Because there's like a little itty bitty gap over there. Let me show you guys. Where's the light switches in here? There. We have a little itty bitty gap, but then we have our water line, so you can't push it anymore. But yeah, I got this on lock because Leah keeps pushing that button. I already filtered out the water part from here. I just gotta wait.
Mommy.
Sorry, Haku.
Mommy.
I just gotta wait one more day for the ice, dump it out. Yes.
Read that.
Yeah, I will. The freezer is empty. It actually was filled with beer. Leaky doesn't drink. I don't drink beer. But look at how much drinks there is. We put a lot of water bottles. Watch out, don't pull on the door. Oh, there's plastic still on here. I gotta take off. We still... Oh, I guess I'll just peel it off now. Yeah, I'm gonna grab it. But Vicky's brother, dad, and cousin, they were all drinking. And I guess some of them left their beer. But it'll be here for the next time they come because we're not using it. Yeah, got it. Wait, I got it. We still didn't peel off the front part. I want to see. So we have our leftovers, which is steak and hot dog. The salmon is gone. We had some potato salad, some regular salad. But yeah, this is what our fridge is looking like. And then all the drinks are in this part. But yeah, today was the first time we used our oven. This oven. But we're sort of sticking it out with this oven until we get our new oven because we really want to redo our kitchen. Minnie Mouse phone again. I don't know if I showed you this, but Leaky's dad got us a rice cooker. Ari is on the air mattress. Oh, sorry. Sorry, baby. Did mommy wake you? So she's on the air mattress now in their room. I knew she was going to be okay. I'm trying to get Leah to sleep on that side. See how that goes. She misses AC. But look, she got the fan right there. Okay, sorry. But our windows are open. That room's still empty. And then we got our bed. Who thinks Leah's going to sleep with us or who thinks she's going to sleep in her room? Comment below. You're gonna sleep in your room? Like a big girl? You should. You're only right across. We're gonna see each other.
Yeah.
Come, let's go get your blanket in the hallway. I'm on the couch. Oh, I'm getting pressure. I haven't updated, but I just have pressure. Babe, can you go get her her blanket on the couch, please? Yeah, I'll get it for you. Or not. No, you're just in my way. Can you move them? She wants the iPad that's charging where the TV thing is. And then she wants her blanket. She says she's going to sleep in her own room.
Okay. Her iPad and she wants her blanket.
Yes.
Hey, Mommy.
Good night. I love you. Go lay down.
Okay.
Okay, Mommy, turn this on. You're such a big girl, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I love you.
Knock
Mommy's
on my door.
I'm not going to close the door. Mommy's not going to close her door. We're going to be right across each other. We can see each other.
Thank you.
Good night. I love you.
Good night.
Bye.